I went to FIFA Fan Fest and found some tuna cat treats, so I'm gonna test them out on a real cat. Hey there. I got some tuna treat right here. Ooh, you're smelling that right away. You like it, don't you? I'm just gonna put my phone there, open the treat, and I should be able to just squeeze it out. Oh, come on. Okay, went inside, got some scissors, and properly cut this open. And now, for the moment of truth. Yes, it works. You have a treat that you like. Holy Camp Virginia, calm down. It works a lot. By the way, shout out to the thousands and thousands of Mexico fans at FIFA Fan Fest. You guys give me an amazing experience.